I'm Cheryl Connor with OneMed TV. We're right in the middle of Innovations Alley talking to Rizwan Qureshi with Surgeons. Thanks so much for joining us. Tell us a little bit about what's on the horizon for surgeons.
I think surgeons always require a platform where they should put their surgical wisdom into the innovations of surgical instruments, because these are their tools, and they believe that if surgical wisdom can be put into their innovations, that can be very good for our surgeons to perform a surgery, and eventually it is good for the patients for the surgical diseases. This is an example of some of the samples of our products. We are initially doing the class 1 non-sterilized, reusable stainless steel and titanium surgical instruments, and we are looking into it that how the surgical innovation can be placed into their manufacturing.
What are some of the goals for surgeons in the next 6 to 12 months?
Our goals are that our message should go across, our philosophy should be understood, and we wish to expose ourselves that this is our competitive edge from a conventional surgical instrument company, because it is run by the surgeons who are the customers who use these tools. So if we join those together, I think it is a very good business plan.
What companies are coming up to you with interest in surgeons?
In surgeons, obviously many companies, potential distributors are attracted with it. And at this stage, obviously, this is our first exposure at Advamed and coming to USA market and the Canadian market. So I think we are hoping many of different groups have shown their interest, but it's still, we have not fixed up to the specific company. We have our intention that we all should work for the betterment of a healthcare sector. Business is on one side, making a profit on one side, but it's also ethical, our service to the mankind. Being a surgeon myself, this is all what I do. All the time, we treat the patients, treat the mankind who are needy. So why not to put our energy into the tools which promote some treatment of the diseases, and if we can put our efforts into it so that we can get proper instruments to make surgeons happy, obviously, and long-term patients happy.
Okay, Rizwan Qureshi, thank you so much for joining us with Surgeons. I'm Cheryl Connor with OneMed TV, where we're discovering the very latest innovations in health and medicine.